Um, let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, yep, we're right at the beginning. Okay. Right at the beginning. A beautiful place to be. Oh, someone's aggressive. Calm down. Okay, that sounds gross. That sounds like someone's doing the deed. That is gross. Doing the deed or taking a dump. Could be either. Let's be real. Sometimes those lines get blurred. Can you relate? People in the chat? Open up, bitch. Give me your drugs. Okay, okay, what else can we interact with? Maybe there's something... Okay, maybe there's something up there? Nothing's up there. Okay, you can zoom in. Nothing's up there. Maybe I can try to peek through the bathroom door. Let's see what happens. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! I wasn't expecting that! Okay, wow! Wow, wow, wow. Woo! That freaked me out! Yeah. Woo! You got a scare out of me, Kojima. Okay, yeah. Okay, I see the appeal in this game now. I see the appeal. I was wondering what the appeal was, but I found it. I definitely found the appeal. Fuck, that was scary. Woo! Wow, okay, that got my heart racing. Now I'm actually excited to play this. Now that I've got my blood pumping, my heart going. Okay, fuck, that was okay, now the bathroom door's open. Bathroom door's open. I don't want to get attacked. Please don't kill me. Okay, there's the creepy baby. Wow. Yeah, you're a fetus. Someone should definitely call the Child Protection Services. I feel like that wouldn't be accepted. Okay, now I'm stuck in the bathroom. Not freaking out at all. Stuck in the bathroom with the lights off in my house. Oh god. Yeah, that's not a nice toilet. That looks dirty, and it looks like it's seen some bad things. I imagine the baby's seen some pretty fucked up stuff. Okay, door is back open. Okay. Door is back open. Down the hall we go. Okay, now it's... but the door is open. Okay, fuck. Okay, it's really weird now. I feel like, we're definitely gonna get murdered. Okay, fridge is just chilling around. There's definitely a baby in that fridge. Probably multiple babies. Does anyone have a baby in their fridge? Please comment below if you do. No, please don't. Please don't comment. I'd rather not know. I don't have a baby in my fridge. Not that I'm aware of. Okay, so what are we looking for now? Yep, still got a baby in the fridge, just levitating, thumping. I feel like babies don't thump. Maybe Lisa's in there with the baby. Who knows? I don't know. I know nothing. I like to have a good time drinking, that's for sure. Like, I'm not judging them. Yeah. I feel like in this kind of home you would need a lot of alcohol. And now there's a goddamn baby. Oh, fuck. Yep. Didn't expect that. Window frame is gone. That breathing is definitely, like, in my ears, and it's freaking me out.
It was just a game. The girl was found shot once in the chest from point-blank range.
Yeah, I think being locked in a room on a normal day with a baby is pretty horrible. You're right. Children are not my favorite attraction either. Oh god. That groaning is not appealing. Yeah, this is definitely not my ideal way to spend an evening, let's put it that way. Yep, baby's still chilling in the fridge. There's lots of trash, lots of prescription drugs. Lots of alcohol. They definitely knew how to party in this household. Like, if this happened to me in real life, let's be real, I would just be in the fetal position, crying to myself over and over. Okay. Maybe that could be my theme song. Fetus in the fridge, swinging around like a fetus in a fridge. Do you ever feel like a fetus in a fridge? Drifting near a crazy lady, wanting to be alive again. I'm probably not going to quit my day job and... Whew. Yep, still crying. That baby's got a lot of energy considering it's in... what? It's a fetus in a fridge. I feel like I'd have a lot less energy than that. Poor baby. I'm not joking about it. It's quite sad, actually. It is quite sad, quite disturbing. But it's also a fetus in a fridge, so... I just want to grab a stick and, like, poke this fridge. Like that gif of, like, a Simpsons character. Or the stick figure guy. Stick figure guy. Maybe you have to play like a pinata game. Pinata with the fridge baby, yay! Well, unfortunately I can't find a bat. Okay, the fridge is gone.
Låt oss välja. Min röst som förtäljer framtiden eller dina plågade foton. Nå, vad väljer du? Du kan välja.
Is that German or is that English?
Ditt liv, din framtid.
I feel like that's German. Fuck. Okay, that's fucking scary. That is, yeah. That music as well. Shit, okay. Yeah, I definitely feel like I'm going crazy now. Yep. Yeah. 4863.
204863.
204863.
204863.
204863. 204863. 204863. Oh, what? What? Development halted due to inexplicable bug? What? Was that, like, was that a legitimate message, or was that a part of the actual demo? Like, are we done? Is this finished, or we're still going? I think we're still going. Because this doesn't seem like a new game. This is the last stage. Okay. Okay, sweet. Wow. That is definitely a Kojima kind of mindfuck. I've had a lot of fun though. It's been a very, definitely a unique experience, and I definitely don't regret playing this. It's definitely been, quite the challenge. Oh. Probably have to restart completely. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right, Chris. I just want to see if something else happens. There's probably nothing else that's going to happen, but... No, alright guys, well it sounds like we have experienced what we can experience. I definitely had fun, and I hope you guys had fun too. I might restart this another time, but I think it's a bit late for now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this session now. I definitely found it fucking horrifying and quite disturbing. So hopefully I inspired you to maybe play. But no, I appreciate you guys doing, so make sure to follow me if you're interested in this kind of weird shit. Have a good night, guys. Really appreciate it. See ya.